Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jumbo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently, there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crane. But first, we need to assemble it. Let's assemble the crane together. Crane needs the chassis to move around the construction site. Let's attach two wheels on the one side and two on the other. What's next? Crane needs a good support to not to fall while working. Let's attach two of them on the one side and two on the other. Like this. Now, let's set the cabin where a driver will sit. Now we need to set the rotary platform with a cab on it. All control of the crane is taking place in this cabin. The most important thing in a crane is a boom. Let's attach the base of the boom to the rotary platform. It consists of three parts, and at the end of the boom, let's hang a large hook to lift the loads. The crane is ready. What does our crane make at the construction site? A crane is a machine the construction site can't function without. Imagine how difficult it is to lift heavy bricks and large reinforced concrete panels, of which our houses are built. A man cannot do it, but a crane does it easily. When the crane arrives to the necessary place, it exposes its supports. This way the crane becomes much more stable. And here is the cabin where crane operator sits and controls the crane. The crane operator pulls a lever, the mechanism starts to act, and the work begins. He pulls another lever, and the boom becomes longer, and now it can reach the roof of the house. Crane operator pulls the other lever, and the rotary platform comes to action.
Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Like our video and subscribe to our channel, and soon you will see even more cool cartoons. See you soon. Bye bye.